Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday, and yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes, but it's a handover with a difference. Why, you might ask? It's for my mum, probably the most special handover of my life. Can't wait to show you around. This house has been completely forgotten. It's in pain. Look at the height of the trees. It has no road, no windows. It's a complete derelict shell. But we've come up with a design, and I'm confident that we could make this a dream home for my mum. It's just been under 2 months since my mum has last been here. It was a building site. Today, it's a completely finished home. All kitchens, bathrooms. Come on, I can't wait to show you. We're finally here after 15 weeks, 1 week ahead of schedule. I absolutely love that staircase. This turned out so well. So now we really get to see what the whole project is like. You can see the handrail has turned out so well, and it can take that walnut colour perfectly. This is the landing. This is where you chill out, read a book, but you can see all the really luxury details here. Come on, let's take a look at the main bathroom. This is where the project really comes alive. I absolutely love this bespoke mirror. I love this laundry chute. Open it up, you drop your clothes in, and it lands down in the utility room. What a time saver. It also works as a bathroom storage. This has turned out really well. I like how that grout pops that blue up, but the main thing is when you walk into this bathroom, that bespoke mirror, it reflects all these tiles. It bounces around the room. Look at that rain head. I love to turn it on. In here we've got a guest bedroom, but what's behind this door? A special guest bedroom, double bed, ensuite. I might get to stay here at Christmas. I can't wait to show you the master bedroom. I love it. This has turned out so well. Wait until my mum sees this. This room is stunning, and we've got a really special ensuite and a walk-in wardrobe. I really wanted to do something special here, and this has turned out perfect. Come on, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the walk-in wardrobe. Oh wow, we've got lots of space here. This really has turned out well. Look at all the storage. You can put all your shoes, your dresses, your suits, everything you need. This has turned out great. Coming back downstairs again on my right here, I've got the main family room, the kitchen. But first, I gotta show you the main sitting room. I love the feeling in this room. You can see the colours are dark, the wood flooring, the open fire. I love this light fitting. One click, you can really see that blue. Another click, it gets so bright. It really suits the mood of this room. Let's take a look at the utility room, the downstairs office, and the main bathroom downstairs. We really wanted to do something special here. You can see the beautiful blue tiles, that bespoke mirror, that sink, that tiled worktop, the flooring. It has come together so well. This room is going to be used for an office, a great place to put your computer when you're searching the net, buying something online. This is a fun room. You can close it away from the whole house. My mum loves red. She was worried. She thought I would hate it if I used red in here, but it has turned out perfect. You know what? In the utility room, you can be bold. Who wants to go in there? You've got to make it fun. Finally, I get to show you my most favorite room in the house, the family room, kitchen, dining and sitting room. Come on, let's take a look. The work that went into this was unbelievable. You can see all the detail, but it paid off in the end. We have a big dining room with that luxury light. Behind us, a 65-inch telly, electric fire, and this gorgeous kitchen. Take a look around. Look at all the fun details. Teardrop red. I told you my mum loves red. We have another shade of red here, but look at the wood effect. Look at the curve and all that granite, it's turned out so well. Again, this is where we get to see all the hard work. I love this big curve. You can see it's shaping the telly away from the kitchen, giving you that amazing broken open plan feel. This was a detail my mum really wanted, a pantry, but with a secret door. Come on, let's take a look. Okay, so we've, again, lots of storage, but let's open this door and see what's on the other side. Yes, it's a connection straight through to her favourite red utility room. I want to say a special thanks to everybody that worked on this project. Thank you for making this dream come true. But I have one man in particular that I want to thank. His name is Donagh Cronin. He was the site manager. He worked morning, noon and night. Thank you so much, Donagh. Now, here goes. I'm going to meet my mum at the gate. She's going to get to see her house for the very first time. I'm going to click that button. The gates are going to open and the magic will begin.